Hello children, today we will learn the problem sums based on division. Look at sum number 1. From a wire of 347 meters, if 18 small pieces of equal length are cut, you are left with a piece which is smaller than each of these 18 pieces. Find the length of each of these pieces and also of the last remaining piece of wire. So at first you will write total length of 18 pieces of wire equal to 347 meters. Length of one piece of wire we have to find out. So we will divide 347 meters by 18. You will do the rough. In rough you will do the division. And the quotient we got 19 and the remainder we got 5. So the remainder 5 meter is the remaining piece of wire. And 19 meter the quotient, that is the length of one piece of wire. So the question is find the length of each of these pieces, that is 19 meter, and the last remaining piece of wire, the length of that is 5 meter. Then look at sum number 2. There are 371 oranges. I put them into baskets, each of which can hold only 20 oranges. How many baskets can I fill and how many oranges will be left over? So how many oranges are there? Total oranges 371. I can put how many oranges in one basket? Look at the sum. I put them into baskets, each of which can hold. So one basket can hold 20 oranges. So number of oranges one basket can hold equal to 20. And we have to find out how many baskets can I fill with 371 oranges. So we will divide 371 by 20. Divide it in the rough. 20 ones are 20. Then 7 minus 0, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. And then bring down 1. 28s are 160. And the remainder we got 11. So 18 baskets I can fill and 11 oranges will be left over. That is the answer. Look at sum number 3. I have rupees 1623. I buy school bags which cost rupees 136 each. How many bags can I buy and how much money will I be left with? So amount I have 1623. I buy school bags which cost rupees 136 each. So I can buy one bag for rupees 136. So how many bags I can buy for rupees 1623? We will divide 1623 by 136. So 136 ones are 136. Now 2 is smaller than 6. So I have written 1 in front of that. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 1 we have taken extra. Make it less from 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. That I did not write. Then bring down 3. Now the number we got 263. 136 Ones are 136. In the rough you see, I have multiplied 136 by 2, but we got the product 272, that is greater than 263. So 136 ones are 136. Now subtract it from 263. 13 minus 6, 7. 1 we have taken extra. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 3, 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So, how many bags can I buy? I can buy 11 bags. Quotient 11 we got. And how much money will I be left with? Rupees 126. 7 money will be left with. Amount left equal to rupees 127. Look at sum number 4. A boy has 278 marbles. He puts them into boxes, each of which can hold only 28 marbles. How many boxes will he need and how many marbles will be left over? So total number of marbles a boy has equal to 278. Number of boxes needed to keep 28 marbles equal to 1. Look at the sum. He puts them into boxes, each of which can hold. Each means 1. So 1 box can hold how many marbles? 28 marbles. So number of boxes needed to keep 278 marbles equal to 278 divided by 28. Do the rough. And the quotient we got 9. Multiply 28 by 9. 9 2s are 18. And 26 we got as the remainder. So number of marbles left 26. And how many boxes will he need? He will need 9 boxes. Question number 5 is, a person has rupees 7,285. He buys pens at rupees 27 each. How many pens can he buy and how much money will be left with him? Amount a person has equal to rupees 7,285. And he buys pens at rupees 27 each. That means the cost of 1 pen is rupees 27. So number of pens bought for rupees 27 equal to 1. How many pens can he buy and how much money will be left with him? So number of pens bought for rupees 7,285 is equal to rupees 7,285 divided by rupees 27. You will do the division in the rough. At first by 2 multiply 27 by 2. So 2 7s are 14 4. 1 you carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 54. Then subtract 54 from 72. We got 18. 18 is smaller than 27. Bring down 8. Then we will multiply 27 by 7. 7 7s are 49. 9. 4 you carry. 7 2s are 14. Plus 4. 189 we got. But that is greater than 188. So by 6 we will multiply 27. So 6 7s are 42, 2, 4 you carry, 6 2s are 12, plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16, 162. Then subtract 162 from 188 and we got 26 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we will bring down 5. Now the number we got, that is 265. Now 9 2s are 18. So we will multiply 27 by 9. 9 7s are 63. 3, 6 you carry. 9 2s are 18 plus 6. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 243. 243 you subtract from 264 and we got the remainder 22. So the question is, how many pens can he buy? So he can buy 269 pens. And how much money will be left with him? The remainder that will be left with him. So rupees 22 will be left with him. So today up to this, children, you will get your homework in the PDF. Thank you.